Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Centurion gate motor remote suddenly stops responding, it can be frustrating because the gate simply won't open or close when you need it to. You press the button and nothing happens, or the response is inconsistent and delayed. In most cases, this isn't a major fault with the motor itself. It's usually related to the remote signal, battery condition, or how the remote is paired with the system. Since these remotes rely on proper communication with the gate receiver, even a small issue like weak batteries or signal interference can stop them from working completely. The good part is that you can fix this quickly without replacing the entire system. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Centurion Gate remote working again, step by step. Try these. Step 1. Change or replace the remote battery with a new one. Step 2. Restart the gate motor system by turning power off and on. Step 3. Move closer to the gate to test signal range. Step 4. Reprogram the remote with the gate motor receiver. Step 5. Clean the remote buttons to remove dirt or sticking. Step 6. Test the remote and confirm the gate responds properly.